Is the NZXT H9 Flow truly the best high-end PC case you can buy in 2025? With fish tank-style glass panels, insane radiator support, and next-level cable management, it might just be. But for $170 to $290, does it deliver performance for the price? In this NZXT H9 Flow review, I'm breaking down airflow, build experience, features, and whether it's worth your money. So stay till the end for the verdict. Product overview. The NZXT H9 Flow is a mid-tower dual-chamber PC chassis launched in 2025 by NZXT, a prominent name in PC building and case design. It comes in three variants: the base H9 Flow, the RGB, and the flagship RGB Plus model. Designed for enthusiasts, gamers, and DIY builders with high-end hardware, its standout features include support for E-ATX motherboards, 6 SATA drives, and dual 420mm AIO radiators. It matters because it blends striking style, tempered glass, and tight perforated mesh with serious airflow and thermal performance, all wrapped in a spacious modern layout tailored for US-based performance seekers. Performance. In real-world builds, reviewers consistently report excellent cooling for both GPU and CPU, even with heavy thermal loads. Tom's Hardware named it a top performer at full speed in CPU-only thermal tests and praised its support for massive GPUs. Overclock 3D's tests highlight unmatched GPU cooling thanks to three 140mm fans directly beneath the GPU zone. Excellent for demanding gaming or workstation setups. Windows Central notes that building in the H9 Flow is a breeze. Impressive airflow, a ton of space inside, and it's so easy to use. Consumers echo this. Best Buy customers rated 5.9 to 5 for airflow, space, and cable management. However, this performance isn't silent. Windows Central warns fans get loud at high RPMs, so if you're building a quiet rig, plan accordingly. Overall, the H9 Flow delivers top-tier thermal performance in real-world scenarios, especially for GPU-heavy workloads. Features and tech. Here are the standout features and their real-life benefits. Dual-chamber layout. It splits PSU and storage from the main component zone for cleaner builds and better airflow pathing. Perforated mesh panels offer great airflow without extra magnetic filters, though long-term dust ingress could be a concern. High radiator support. It accommodates two 420mm AIO radiators and multiple bottom mounts for flexible cooling setups. Cable management and build-friendly design. Ample routing cutouts, Velcro straps, large CPU cutout, and back connect support simplify complex builds. Bonus: RGB Plus variant includes NZXT F420 RGB core fans and controller. Add style and centralized control, albeit at higher cost. These features make it easy to build powerful, clean rigs with custom cooling and show it off. Design and build. The H9 Flow presents a visually stunning design with wraparound tempered glass on the front and side paired with sleek perforated steel panels for airflow and dust protection. Build quality is solid, offering spacious interiors, visible in Best Buy reviews noting ease of installation and cable tidiness. Its dual-chamber layout and supportive structure ensure large GPUs and custom loops fit comfortably. However, its large footprint and height means it demands serious desk or floor space. The glass looks sleek, but cleaning it regularly is a small chore shared by users. Pros: strong airflow and cooling, simple cable management, sleek glass design, supports large builds and dual 420mm radiators. Cons: expensive, especially RGB+. Footprint is large, requiring spacious setup. Final verdict. If you're building a premium gaming or workstation PC in the USA and want both form and function, the NZXT H9 Flow is worth every penny. It excels in cooling performance, build ease, and visual flair, especially for component showcases and high-performance rigs. It's ideal for enthusiasts with space to spare who plan to install large GPUs, multiple drives, or dual massive AIO radiators. That said, if you're on a budget, need a compact case, or prioritize whisper-quiet acoustics, consider downsizing to an H6 or H5 Flow or other mid-range options. But if space, airflow, and aesthetics top your checklist, the NZXT H9 Flow delivers best-in-class performance with a visual punch that justifies the cost.